fitness, foodies, and the fabulous absurd. From burpees to Camus, you're never gonna know what you're gonna get from your burpee yoga uncle. Stop with your we're making wonton, many different versions of it, and dumplings. So I got most of the ingredients here, but from this batch I'll be making shrimp wonton and also fish wonton with and without the pork, because some people don't like pork, but it's all good. But pork is actually the fattiness that's part of the wonton, but we can still do it without it. And then this is the wrapper that we're going to use from Louis Noodle, my favorite. And then we have leek here, and also green onions, and also tofu, right? Let's get to this bad boy. We're gonna make shrimp wonton, nice and healthy, super easy. And please like and subscribe. But basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna grind all this, well, not all this one, but this one, we're gonna grind all this up. I'm using pork belly, but you can use the leaner part of pork, but the flavor is gonna be in the fat. And for the fish part, we're gonna slice it up. We're gonna make as big chunk as we can, because that's how we like it in my ohana. Alrighty then, the pork is grinded down. However we want to do it, you can use ground pork too, but this way it's much smoother, and you will taste it, but you won't feel it. So we're making two different types of shrimp dumplings and fish dumplings. One would have pork and one won't, so that's why there's two bowls. So to replace the pork, I put tofu in here, and then I got my onions and leek. I'm gonna put a lot more in this, actually a lot, because that's gonna give it the flavor, and a little bit less in here, not really a lot at all. It's mostly just to have the scent, right? And then, so I'm gonna start off with this one first, because it's a two-prong attack. So this one is the same thing when I add oyster sauce, ginger, you can cut your own, but hey, this is a very fast to do channel. What we have that we can work with, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of chicken stock. We're all good to go. And that's pretty much it. And again, I don't put down how much of all the ingredients, because it's up to your family. We like it to be as clean as possible, and then you can use dipping sauce to have it done. So this one is done. We're gonna do the one without. So the one without, we did do the pork already. I'm gonna put the pork in there. So this one, same thing, we're gonna add the oyster sauce. Soy sauce. And because it got meat, we're gonna add the siu hing zhao, which is a rice wine. The ginger. Garlic and the salt, and this is to mix it. I can see I made too much pork for the amount because I was thinking of making it all for it, but it is what it is. It's ready to go. This is going to be a tasty dumpling. Oh my goodness. So we're going to let it sit for a while for it to soak up all the ingredients. We're not making a lot. Oh, I know what I forgot. The chicken stock. A little help. Two in one. Am I doing it the right way? Well, I don't know. I'm not a chef. I just cook for my family. This is something that you can do too. Do you have to follow all the steps? You just do the stuff that makes your family happy with the food. If I want authentic food, like the real ones, I go to a restaurant to eat it. This is hack cooking, 10 minutes or less. And it's not really that hard. It tastes almost just as good. There you go. Ready to do the dumplings. We're gonna do the pork and the seafood, and always need an egg. Always. Again. This is the working household, so we're gonna have to deal with it. It is what it is. So to do the dumpling, pretty simple. Wonton wrappers. First of all, do the edge. And a nice piece of shrimp in there. Very nice. It won't fit a lot of stuff in there because it's not the biggest. Just like that. We'll try another one now. Another piece of nice, let's try fish with the tail of a shrimp. They won't know the difference. Nice. One more. Shrimp with, yep. Yes, I know you guys are going, my goodness, he put the pork in this and that. Well, that's my family. This is for entertainment. It will make it taste good for us. Everything is cooked anyway. The dumplings ready to go. I'll put them one at a time. And we kind of have to stir it. With anything. The soup's in there. Let's bring the baby home. Ooh. Oh no, delicious. Gonna put some of the leftover onions in there. Sesame oil. Try the bad boy. Try the soup first. Very nice. Not too salty, just the flavor. See the shrimp? Oh my goodness, this is so good and fresh. You're not gonna get this in a restaurant because they ain't gonna make it that big for you for a shrimp. It's so good and fresh, and Hong Kong skin, the wonton skin is so thin, it makes it taste so good. Let's try the other one now.